Sa lahat po ng nag-a-abroad, lalong-lalo na sa mga nagraranawi at bago kayo dito sa labas. Kailangan nyo isipin nyo palagi kahit may mga pera kayong lumabas kayo, magtira talaga kayo para sa sarili nyo. Lalong-lalo na nandito kayo sa labas. Kasi kinakailangan nyo, hindi kayo makapag tulog sa isang bahay hanggat hindi kayo nag-cash advance. Hindi kayo makabayad, hindi kayo makapagtulog sa isang bahay. Paano? Waldas kayo ng waldas, hindi nyo iniisip. Alisin nyo sa ugali nyo yung bahala ng bukas kasi kadalasan naman mga Pilipino ganyan. At saka iisipin nyo ang pag-ipon ng pera kaysa sa pagpapaganda. Hindi naman binabawalan kayo na magpaganda. Pero isipin nyo kung anong mangyayari sa kinabukasan kasi sa isang iglap lang, sa isang click lang ng relo, maaaring mabago ang buhay mo. Lalong-lalo at nandito tayo sa abroad. Oo, sinasabing sa inyo naman yan na pera. Ako kasi alam mo nasasaktan ako at nabubwisit ako, naiinis ako na hindi ko maintindihan yung feelings ko. Pag ang mga kaibigan ko or mga kabayan natin pinagsasabihan ko, wala pang sahod, wag ka munang waldas ng pera kasi hindi natin alam kung ano mangyayari sa atin. Yung isinasagot ka ng pang-insulto, wag ka nang umangal. Kung wala kang pera na ibigay ng pangpaganda, wag ka na umangal. Ganyan ang sagot. Ngayon, kaninong bagsak nila? Sinong lalapitan nila? Buti kung mga kaibigan nila na lagi nila nililibre, lagi sila nagko-contest. Ano makukuha nyo sa mga pride? Wala kayong makukuha kung ang garbo nyo palagi ang pinapairal nyo. Para kayong mga crabs naghahabulan kung sino yung aakyat, tapos kung nakaangat ka na sa taas, bunutin ka naman pa ibaba. Yang palamuti na yan, wala yang swilbi kung ang tiyan mo ay walang laman, yung wallet mo ay walang laman. Kasi kadalasan kasi, di bali nang walang kakainin basta maganda. Ewan ko, simula pagkabata, here, I have a lot of friends, sir. Although girls or boy, you know me too much. I never and ever put anything in my face, in my body, to make it beautiful, to make it moist. You know? What is the purpose of the cosmetic? What is the purpose of the perfume, lotion, everything you need to make it sexy, to make it beautiful, and then your pocket without money? Oh my gosh. Because it's a lot of people should be feel hungry, but it's always put there. You cannot understand what kind of cosmetic he put in his face, and then after that, you can afford to buy more than 200 dirham the medicine to make it blooming because of boyfriend. No, what is that? You know what? If someone can love you although you're ugly or who you are, he accept you. No need cosmetic. If the cosmetic you can out, what happened for the face? Oh my gosh. Then now too much problem. If you're on the outside, you need to save your money. Not always cosmetic or everything. Yeah, I am feeling. It's a lot of people told me I am sleep, I am hungry. I don't care. The most important time, not hungry. Stop for feeling beautiful, stop for feeling artist, like that. Because you can afford. If you are here in the abroad, you need to save your money. This is not for me. This is for you. Don't see yourself to others. Don't compare also yourself to others. You need to put in your mind always how to save money, especially you are here in abroad. If we are here in abroad without rich here, although you are in the office working, I know. Long time I am workers. Long time I'm always working, study, working house, working, study, like that. But I'm always thinking, what is my tomorrow? It's better for me. I am new here in UAE. I am famous before in TikTok. So it's a lot of people go in my room, give me 50 dirham, 100 dirham, give me groceries, give me food. Although I make live only in my TikTok, someone asking me, where are you? What are you doing? I'm sleeping. You have food, you have snack, like this, like that. It's a lot of people give me money, give me food. Although only my friends there. And then stop also think negative to another person. Don't judge anyone. Not mean you can meet any boy fucking directly. No. It's a lot also of TikTokers here. Another nationality can give me a food before. I make a live, okay, 5 minutes I am there in the down, you can go in the down, then I give you your food, your drinks, like this, like that. You know, the water here, it's so very hard if you don't use your mind. And then you can out your attitude, you are ashamed. That is useless. Ashamed or shy. I used ashamed word because the shy here is not ashamed. Because the shy here is a T. That's why I'm using by the another words of English. And then you cannot wait. You can learn something for the past of for your past. You need to learn the past of others. Don't wait, you learn for your past. Kung sa Tagalog pa, wag mong hintayin na matuto kayo sa sarili niyong pagkakamali. Dapat matuto kayo sa pagkakamali ng iba. Marunong kayo makinig kahit bata pa yung nagsasalita sa inyo. Pag may punto naman, pakinggan nyo naman.